Hey guys, I'm Nishant and I welcome you to Stroller. We are doing a Europe series, and in today's episode, I'll tell you how you can apply for international driving permit so that you can rent a car and drive it anywhere in the world. I'll be giving a detailed step-by-step process on how you have to fill the application, how should you get the medical fitness certificate, and what will happen once you submit the application, how will you go to RTO, what's the process there, and how can you collect the international driving permit. If you find the video useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Let's get started.
The first step is go to the Parivahan website, and from there click on this driver learner's license. It will route you to the Sarthi page, and there select your particular state where your driving license was issued. For me it was Maharashtra, so I opened the Maharashtra website. Here I'll select apply for international driving permit IDP. Let's continue here. This is basic information. DL number. First let me enter my DL number. It pulled out all my information which is shown here. Let me now scroll down and confirm that the DL is mine. Submit the request to your Pune. Okay, and proceed. So it will again reroute me. Let me enter my email ID. Confirm. Do your Aadhaar authentication, and let's continue basis that. So fill in your Aadhaar details, generate the OTP, enter the OTP and proceed ahead. So for me there was some issue. I'm getting an error saying that relative name not found in Aadhaar data. I do not know what this is, so I'll use the alternate method of authentication, which is submit without Aadhaar authentication. Submit. So it will ask me to generate OTP on my mobile. So I was able to authenticate here. Then it will ask me to select what I want to get done. So I'm selecting issue international driving permit and proceed. International driving permit, it will give my basic details. So let me capture that as per the passport. When you're filling this form, you will be asked which type of IDP you want. So you can select both here. One is motor vehicle, which means car, and the other is motorcycle. I'm selecting only motor vehicle, car I need, and I'll confirm that. See what it says. So it says data accepted successfully. Then if I scroll down, it asks me to fill the self-declaration as to physical fitness. Let me download this and fill it. Once I click on that button, a pop-up appears and I have to answer the question. So do you suffer from epilepsy? No. Are you able to distinguish with each eye? Yes. Have you lost either hand or foot? No. Do you suffer from night blindness? No. Are you deaf? No. Do you suffer from any other disease? No. Okay. So physical fitness I have submitted here, and it shows that the details have been submitted, and I can click on back. So after that, I do hereby confirm that my driving license is not impounded. I'll select this thing. I confirm his application form details are mine, blah 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 blah. This is mine. This is true. This is personal choice. Then I get this pop-up saying congratulations, your application has been submitted. Kindly note application reference number on screen for future reference. You would be receiving reference number through SMS on your mobile. Applicant visit RTO. Let's see what happens here once I click. So this is my application number. Once I've downloaded all the documents, I'll click on next button. Let's see what happens. Number is submitted here. Application number details are here. So the first step, services on DL, is completed. Second step is uploading the document, and the third is the fee payment. So let's proceed with step number 2, upload the documents. Proceed. Now let's see what all documents it asks me to submit. Medical form 1A. Form 1A by Authorized registered medical practitioner is this. Yeah. And ये एक authorized medical practitioner से चाहिए. So this is something which will have to go to some doctor, and from there we'll have to get this particular document attested. Let's look at the other things. Passport I have, DL I have, so let me at least upload those. Passport, I filled in the basic details. I clicked on upload, then I can view it, and once I confirm, it will be shown here under the uploaded document. Similarly, I'll upload the other documents as well.
So now that we have covered the online application, the next step is to get the medical fitness certificate. For that, you will have to go to a doctor which is under the panel list of RTO. So you can download the information from RTO website. For example, in Maharashtra, if you scroll down, you will see a section called Empaneled Doctors, and there, if you select by your RTO number, you will be able to find the list of all the doctors who are empaneled. So I selected one as per my locality, and I went to that doctor. He did a basic test. He checked my eyesight from far off, how much is this, how much is this, and how much is this, and then color test and other things, and then he just gave the signature and other things. He uploaded the form and he sent it to me on Gmail, asking me to upload it on the RTO website again. So I came back, I uploaded it, and I submitted the document. So that's the second step.
So guys, I was able to complete the second step, upload documents also. It took me to the next step, which is the fee payment step. Once you are here, you have to click on proceed. It will redirect you to the next page. Just verify your details and then see how much is the fees which has to be paid. In my case, the total fees to be paid is 1000 rupees, and you can pay it via SBI ePay. Once you pay, you will be getting the confirmation, and then you will be informed of what are the next steps, whether your IDP will be sent directly to your home via courier or whether you have to visit the RTO.
The third step is take a printout of all the documents and visit the RTO office. And this visit the RTO office should happen only if the application says so. So in my case, it clearly says that the applicant has to visit RTO office. So I went to RTO office. I was routed to first counter where a lady was checking all my documents. So I had to take my documents related to the application, the medical fitness certificate, the self-declaration of fitness certificate, and my passport, my visa, my driving license. All these I had to take along with the originals of passport and driving license. She checked everything and then she said that your doctor fitness certificate, although it has the registration number and name of the doctor, it does not have the stamp. So you have to go and get the stamp. I told her that why is it needed? It's not written anyway. But she did not agree, so I had to go back, I had to get the stamp. One tip here, if you want to save on time, you can also go to any of the doctors who sit near the RTO. They take about 50-100 rupees and they stamp the document, so you can get it. He should be an MBBS doctor. That's the only criteria which is required. Anyways, I got my document stamped and then I came back and I submitted the document. She verified it and she said it's perfectly fine. And then she took my thumb impression and my signature and directed me to some other counter. At that counter, a lady gave me one slip, asked me to submit 2 photographs and fill up that particular slip. I filled up the slip, she took the slip and she collected the photographs and gave me another slip which had the application number. She said that you can come after 2 days and show this application number and collect your international driving permit. So now I am all set to get my international driving permit on Tuesday, and basis that I will be eligible to drive beautiful cars in Europe. That's it guys. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share if you found the video useful. Until next time, this is Nishant signing off. Bye, take care.